beautiful people. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. Your girl got herself vacation hair ready. So come on and see how I installed these crochet locks. This is my first time installing crochet locks, and I absolutely love this style. So check it out. So first things first, I washed my own hair and I went to my hairstylist so that she can cut down my sides. Boy, oh boy, y'all. I was so happy to get my sides cut. I have been growing them out for like a good 3 months. So this was a major moment for Big So. I was like, okay, it's time to get these cut down. I'm going on vacation. I ain't gonna be doing no auditioning. I can have a fresh cut. It's all good in the hood. Then she went ahead and blew my hair out because she's gonna braid me down to get my hair crochet ready. I was like, well, since I'm there, I might as well have her braid me down too. One less thing for your girl Soso to do, okay? So she braided me down and put my hair wrap on because I had to run some more errands. So anyways, this is the hair I got, y'all. I was feeling like I wanted some long boho locks. So I was like, okay, 28 inches it is. And I'm gonna do one pack of color burgundy and the other one 1B, which is the off black. So she braided me down real nice, real bright, real tight. So y'all, I was like, hold on now, this hole ain't big enough, because you need the hole big enough to get the end of the hair through, okay? So I was like, all right, let's get this thing started. We're gonna start off with burgundy. So I'm gonna put your crochet needle through your braid, whatever kind of braid. You could do individuals in the front, but I was just like, let's do all cornrows. Once again, this is 1 week style. Then you hook the knot to the end of the crochet hook, close the hook, pull it through your own hair. Then you gotta, y'all, that hole, then you gotta find that hole again. And I say take more so the tail end of the lock and then pull it through, and you're gonna wanna tighten it. You see it looks a little messy at the top because my hole wasn't super neat, but when you pull it down to tighten the knot, the hair is gonna get itself together. All right, y'all, so let's go do it again. I put the crochet needle through my braid, and then this time I did a piece of black hair because I wanted to mix it up with the burgundy and the black, and then you unhook. Oh, well, it might get a little stuck now, so just be careful. That hook be getting caught on things now, y'all, so be careful with that hook. Make sure that hole's open. Take the tail end of your lock and pull it through, and you see it's a little messy, but once you tighten it up to knot it, the hair will just make itself come together, okay? So then I decided to do red again. So I was kind of doing a pattern of, not red, excuse me, burgundy. Like burgundy, black, and then burgundy again. So I did decide to start off in the front. Some people may start off in the back, but I prefer to start off in the front just to see like how full I'm gonna make it, to determine like, you know, what's really gonna happen when we get to that back. And then for every other row, I decided to switch it up. So like if I started the past row with burgundy, then I start the next row with black, and then burgundy, and then black, burgundy, black, burgundy, black. I just want to, you know, mix up the colors here for this style that I'm creating, y'all. I was loving this. You know when you used to not having 28-inch hair and you get it in and you see it coming together, you know, you start to get excited. You start feeling yourself. I was like, okay, inches. I see what's going on here. I was like, okay, hold on. I can swing my hair to the side and I can wear it to the left or the right. It looked good on either side. And I started touching it back, and I was like, all right, well, let's get to the back of this hair, okay? And to prevent any, y'all seen that hook. So to prevent any extra stuff from going on, you just gonna want to wrap up your hair that you got in the front, and then go ahead and diagnose the back. I was like, ooh, this is a lot more hair back here than I thought. This is just very, very interesting. So I said, well, let me just start where I can in the back. Just start where I can in the back. That's all you can do. In life, you just got to start where you can, okay? It may not make sense. It may not feel right, but just start somewhere, okay? And that's what I did here, okay? So a lot of the red I saved for the back. I was like, I didn't want like a whole bunch of color in the front. So I was like, okay, let's get, you know, this red going in the back because, you know, I want more of the black in the front. So as I got some of the back done, not all of it, I was like, okay, at this point, I'm getting a little low on hair. My hairdresser said she thought the 2 packs would be all right for me. See, we just I don't know if we got how big my head was, okay? So then I started filling in some of those gaps where I saw that like it was like a bit too open. And I was like, all right, let me come to the front because I really ain't got that much hair left, okay? And I'm really not trying to go back to the store and buy more hair. And this specific hair that I did get, I was way on the other side of town when I bought it. So we all know I wasn't going back to the other side of town. So that handheld mirror is a lifesaver for me, okay? And now I'm at 2 locks. So I'm really getting nervous here. I said, well, just fill in where you can. So just do your best, okay? Just like in life, every day, we just got to do our best. And that's what I'm doing here. I said, do your best, so, and see what it looks like once all the locks are gone. And yeah, y'all, you see there's a lot of space, a lot of cornrows showing. And I was just trying to fill it in as much as I could. And I also didn't want my hair to be heavy. That was the thing. Like, I really just did not want my head to be heavy with hair. And I crocheted, that's a piece of my real hair. I was like, ooh, let me crochet it into another cornrow and tuck it in. So, y'all, and it's all said and done. This is what I got with 2 packs of hair. And I was like, yeah, I gotta go buy some more hair. There's no other option. So here I am. I found some more hair. This is the closest thing I can get that was possible. It's 26 inches. Okay, it's a little less inches. And the locks are neater. So, you know, it looks a little different. But once again, y'all, it's crimping at the end. So that's all that matters. So it's going to match the other hair because it's crimping at the end, just like the other hair. But as you can see, it's very neat, like a bit too neat. I like the original locks that I have in my hair with like the crimpiness, a little bit of messiness. I really, really thoroughly enjoyed that look. But y'all, I swear to goodness, I went to 3 different hair beauty supply stores. No, actually I went to 4 different beauty supply stores and I just could not find the hair that was like the one I originally bought. So I did what I could, y'all, and I filled in as much as the gaps that I could. I did not use that whole pack of this 3rd pack of hair that I bought because I ain't want the heat of my hair being heavy. So this is what we got, y'all. This is good enough. All right, y'all. So this is such a great vacation hairstyle. I really, really love these locks. This is a different style for me. I always do like braids or twists. So this is something different. I've always seen women with the faux locks and I'm like, oh, that's so cute, but I've never done it myself. And I did decide to, you know, add a little color to spice it up. And this is such a great, easy style. And I'm only keeping this hair in for about a week. So, you know, didn't really make sense for me to pay somebody to install it if I'm not going to keep it in long. And the reason why I'm not going to keep it in long is because of auditions. When I do audition, I am working on trying my best to look like my headshot. So just to replicate that look, because I do a lot of commercial auditions. So casting directors are calling me in based on my look. So that's the whole thing that I'm working towards. So, you know, I'll probably only have these in for a week. It might be a little bit more than a week. It might be until I get a daggone audition. Who knows? But we'll see. But I really, really do love this hairstyle. Let me show y'all what's going on. I am already in my vacation destination location. Oh, I like that. Vacation destination location. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can tune in, check out where I went. I'm on my first solo international trip. And I would love for you all to come along the journey and the experience. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so that you do get notified when I do drop that video. All right, thank y'all so much for tuning in. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.